A verdict in a high-profile wrongful death trial. A jury awards millions of dollars to the family of Korryn Gaines, the Baltimore County woman killed by a police officer after a standoff. WJZ is live at Circuit Court in Towson. Rick Ritter has reaction to this closely watched case. Rick?
Denise, it's hard to describe what it's been like in the courtroom over the past 3 weeks with the drama, the emotion, screaming at times. This all-female jury, they sided with the family of Korryn Gaines, and they awarded Cody $32 million. He was injured in this shooting. He watched his own mother get gunned down by police. Such a sad story, and tonight they are calling them a dream team of attorneys, and they say this is a win for anyone who's ever wanted justice. It's a civil trial that's played out like something from a movie. After 3 weeks of heated exchanges and drama, the family of Korryn Gaines has been awarded $37 million.
My daughter will never be back. I don't care how many dollars they offer, $108 million. I couldn't get my daughter back if I begged for her.
It was 2016 when Gaines barricaded herself inside her Randallstown apartment, cradling a shotgun and her 5-year-old son. After a 6-hour standoff, Officer Royce Ruby Jr. said Gaines pointed that shotgun at his team, so he fired one shot through a wall outside her apartment, hitting Gaines and injuring little Cody. Ruby then went inside where he claimed Gaines re-racked her shotgun, forcing him to fire 3 more shots.
This man is a sick, misogynistic, evil person.
The defense argued Officer Ruby was in a kill or get killed type scenario, but what the Gaines family calls their dream team of attorneys caught officers on the front lines of that standoff in lies, with discrepancies between trial testimony and depositions, and said Ruby's decision to fire was callous and heartless.
This guy knowingly assassinated my daughter and injured my grandson to, I believe, beyond repair.
While telling the all-female jury that Cody's scarred for life as he suffers from PTSD, he's a shell of his former self, they said.
It's hard, and I had to take that day by day and just try to at least get him back a little back to who he was before this happened.
It only took the jury a few hours to deliberate 3 weeks' worth of testimony and evidence, awarding the family millions. A verdict, they say, makes a statement like never before.
This is a great statement on behalf of many who have been victimized by police officers.
Korryn is smiling today, posthumously. She got her day in court.
And Baltimore County Police say Officer Ruby will not face any discipline because the shooting was ruled justified by the state's attorney previously, of course. And then the county attorney, Mike Field, he released a statement saying in part tonight they are disappointed in this verdict. They are now exploring all options, including an appeal. Live in Baltimore County tonight, I'm Rick Ritter reporting for WJZ.
All right, thank you very much, Rick. Through a spokesman, Baltimore County Executive Kevin Kamenetz declined to comment.